Good morning, students. We are studying mensuration chapter 11. We have already solved the questions from exercise 11.2. Today we will solve the questions from exercise 11.3. So student, this is first question of exercise 11.3, and in this question there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which of the box requires the lesser amount of material to make? Students, in this question there are two figures given, and these figures are cuboidal boxes. Clear? First cuboid and this one second cuboidal box. Student, this one is a cubical box. Okay, so cube is also a cuboid, but its length, width and height are same. इसमें सभी इसकी जो लेंथ होती है, विड्थ होती है और हाइट होती है वो सेम होती है, वो क्यूब होता है एक्चुअली, लेकिन इसको हम क्यूबाइड बोल सकते हैं स्टूडेंट. सो दीज आर द क्यूबाइडल बॉक्सेस एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ these two boxes. Clear students? So in the first box, dimension of this box length, that is 60 meter, width of this box is equal to 40 meter and height, that is 50 meter. It is given, student. To find the required material to make these boxes, we have to find out the total surface area of these boxes. So this one is the dimension of the first box, and in this second box side, that is 50 meter. Clear student? And you can take it length, width and height, but in this box we have to use formula total surface area of a cube. Clear students? So we have to find out the total surface area of the cube, because the side of this figure is given, that is 50 meter. Clear? So first this one cuboidal box, surface area, total surface area, total surface area of cuboid, that is 2 into length into width plus width into height plus height into length. Clear student? This is formula for the total surface area of a cuboid, because this box is in cuboid shape, so we have to find out the total surface area of this box to find the material required to make this box. So this one will be, student, 2 into length, that is 60 into 40 plus B 40 and height, that is 50 plus 50 into length, that is 60. Now this one will be 2 into 6 4 ja 24, and this followed by 00, that is 2400 plus 4 5 ja 20 and followed by 00, that is 2000 plus 5 6 ja 30 and 00 followed by 00, that is 3000. Now it will be 2400 plus 2000 plus 300. So 3 to 5, 5 to 7400, 2 into 7400. Now multiply it by 2, that will be 0 0 7 4 ja 2 2 4 ja 8 and 7 2 ja 14. So 14,800 meter square. The total surface area of this cuboidal box is 14,800 meter square. It means we need the material that will be 14,800 meter square to make this cuboidal box. Clear, student? Now we have to find out the total surface area of this cubical box. Okay, so side is given here, this side is A. Clear, student? So total surface area of a cube, because this box is cubical box, so we have to find out the TSA, total surface area of cube, that is 6A square. A is side of this cubical box, side is A, that is 50 meter, and 6, there are 6 faces, student. So formula is 6A square. It means 6 into 50 square, means 6 into 50 into 50. Now this will be 6 5 ja 30 and this followed by 1 0 into 50, 3 5 ja 15 followed by 3 0. This one 15,000 meter square. Observing the total calculation, we find that box A, that is cuboidal box, needs or requires the lesser amount of material to make, because its total surface area is less than that cubical box. Clear, student? So answer is that box A requires the lesser amount of the lesser amount of material to make. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? बॉक्स ए, इस बॉक्स को बनाने में हमें कम मटेरियल की ज़रूरत होगी स्टूडेंट। दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 स्टूडेंट, एंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन अ सूटकेस with measures 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcase? So students, in this the dimension, so students, in this question the dimension of a suitcase is given here and all the dimensions are in centimeter. This one 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter. This length, width and height of the suitcase, and it was to be covered with tarpaulin cloth. इसको tarpaulin cloth से cover किया जाना है. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcase? तो स्टूडेंट्स 100 सूटकेस को कवर करने के लिए कितने मीटर tarpaulin की आवश्यकता पड़ेगी? इफ द width of the tarpaulin cloth is 96 सेंटीमीटर. क्लॉथ की जो क्लॉथ लगेगा उसकी width दी गई है स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज 96 सेंटीमीटर. सो first of all we have to find out the total surface area of 100 suitcase. Clear friends? So length that is first solution. Length of the suitcase is 80 centimeter, width of the suitcase is 48 centimeter, and height of the suitcase is that is 24 centimeter. Now we have to find out the total surface area of the suitcase. Total surface area of suitcase. Student, suitcases are in the form of a cuboid. So we have to find out the total surface area of cuboid. That is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now this one will be 2 into what is length? That is 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 80. Clear, student? Now we have to multiply this. 2 into this one, 8 8 ja 64, 8 4 ja 32, and 6 that is 38, and followed by 1 0 that is 3840, plus multiply this 48 into 24, 48 into 24, 4 8 ja 32, 4 4 ja 16, 3 9 19, 2 8 ja 16, and this 2 4 ja 8 1 9. So this one 2 9 6 15 and 10 1 11, 11 52, plus 24 into 80 that is 0, 8 4 ja 32, 8 2 ja 16, 19 20. Clear, student? Now add this, that will be 3840 plus 1152 plus 1920, and that will be 2 5 2 7 4 11 1, and this one 8 1 9 1 10 9 19, and this one 3 1 4 1 5 and 6 6 9 1 2. That will be first add this, and that will be 2 into 6 9 1 2. This one will be, student, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, and 2 6 ja 12, 1 13. This semi square. This is the area of one suitcase, total surface area of one suitcase, students. Now we have to find out total surface area of 100 suitcase. Clear, students? This one is the total surface area of one suitcase, and it is in centimeter square, students. Now we have to find out the total surface area TSA of 100 suitcase that is 13824 into 100, and it will be 1382400. This one semi square. So total surface area of 100 suitcase is 13,824 into 100. So it will be 13,82,400 centimeter square. Now width of the tarpaulin cloth is given, students. So we have to find out the length of the cloth. So length of cloth is equal to area upon width. Area, it means total area, students. So it will be 1382,400 divided by 96. So students, we have to divide this by 96. After dividing, it will be 14400 semi. Clear, student? Now this one 14,400 centimeter, or if we convert it in meter, that it will be 144 meter. So length of the cloth will be 144 meter. This is the answer of this question, student. Now we will solve the third question of this exercise. This is question number 3. And in this question, find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 meter square. Surface area of the cube is given here. Total surface area of cube, that is 600 meter square, and we have to find out the length of the side of the cube. So student, this one solution. First, let side of cube be A meter. Clear, students? So total surface area, of cube, that is 600 meter square, and formula for the total surface area of cube, that is 6a square. It means, student, 6 into side square. One side की area, side into side, it means side square. 6 faces होते हैं क्यूब में, that is 6a square, student, is equal to 600 meter square. So a square is equal to 600 by 6, and that will be 100 meter square. So a square is equal to 100. Therefore a is equal to, that will be under root 100 or square root of 100. That will be plus minus 10 meter. So student, because it is length of the side of a cube, so it will be positive. So that will be 10 मीटर. लेंथ नेगेटिव होगी नहीं स्टूडेंट, तो जब हम स्क्वायर रूट निकालते हैं किसी भी नंबर का स्टूडेंट, तो वो प्लस माइनस दोनों होता है. तो इसमें हम नेगेटिव नहीं लेंगे, बिकॉज इट इज़ लेंथ ऑफ द क्यूब. किसी भी लेंथ को आप पॉजिटिव ही हमेशा लेते हैं. तो ये 10 मीटर हो जाएगी इसकी साइड. सो साइड ऑफ द क्यूब इज 10 मीटर. This is question number 4, and in this question Ruksar painted the outside of a cabinet of measures 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except bottom of the cabinet? So student, in your book figure of the cabinet is given, and Ruksar painted all its surfaces except the bottom, and measurement of the cabinet is given here. So solution will be, students, in this question we have to find out the total surface area that she painted, that she covers. Clear, student? So this one, length of the cabinet, that is 1 meter, width 2 meter, and height of the cabinet, that is 1.5 meter, student. Now we have to find out the total surface area of the cabinet except the bottom. बॉटम की सरफेस एरिया को हमें नहीं निकालना है, उसके अलावा सारी सरफेस एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है स्टूडेंट्स. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया, दैट इज एरिया ऑफ फोर वॉल प्लस एरिया ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द कैबिनेट. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो एरिया she covers, that is area of four wall, area of four walls plus area of top. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? जो उसने पेंट किया एरिया ऑफ फोर वॉल, चारों तरफ उस कैबिनेट को उसने पेंट किया, प्लस एरिया ऑफ द टॉप. एंड एरिया ऑफ फोर वॉल दैट इज 2 into हाइट into लेंथ प्लस विड्थ प्लस एरिया ऑफ टॉप दैट इज लेंथ into विड्थ. नाउ इट विल बी 2 into height is 1.5 meter students. So 1.5 into length 1 meter, this one 2 meter. 1 into 1 meter plus 2 meter and plus length into width 1 into 2. So it will be 2 into 1.5, that will be 3 into 1 plus 2, that is 3 plus 1 into 2, that is 2. So 3 3s are 9 plus 2 and it will be 11 meter square because it is area students. So she covers 11 meter square or she painted 11 meter square. That is the total surface area of the cabinet except bottom. Clear students? Now we will solve question number 5. This is question number 5 and in this question Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, width and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? Students, in this question the dimension of the hall is given and that is length 15 meter, width 10 meter and height 7 meter. And she has to paint 4 walls and the ceiling. Clear students? And this hall is in cuboidal shape. Now in one can she can paint 100 meter square. Then how many cans will she need to paint the room? So solution. First length is equal to, that is 15 meter, width 10 meter and height of the room, that is 7 meter student. Now this room is in the shape of a cuboid, therefore we have to find out the area of the 4 walls plus area of the ceiling. Total area for painting is equal to area of 4 walls plus area of ceiling. in this area of 4 wall and the ceiling she has to paint. So first of all we have to find out the area of 4 walls, after that area of the ceiling. That will be the total area for painting, and it will be area of 4 wall, that is 2 into L plus B into H plus area of ceiling, that is length into width, L into B. So it will be 2 into length, that is 15, plus width 10 into height is 7 students, plus length into width 15 into 10, and it will be 2 into 15 plus 10, that is 25 into 7 plus 15 into 10, that is 150, and it will be 50 into 7 plus 150. It will be 350, 5 7 ja 35 plus 150, and it will be 500 meter square. This is the total area for painting, and that is the area of 4 walls plus area of ceiling. Now we have to find out the number of canes she needed to paint the room. Clear students? So in one cane she paint 100 meter square and total area is 500 meter square. So how many canes are required, how many canes are needed to paint this total area? Number of canes that will be total area upon area painted in one cane, and that will be total area is 500 meter square students. This one 500 meter square, and area painted in one cane, that is 100 meter square, and it will be 0 cancel by 0 and this one cancel. So this one is 5. So 5 canes are needed to paint the area, total area of the room. Now we will solve question number 6. This is question number 6, and in this question describe how the two figures at the right are alike and how they different, which has larger lateral surface area. Students, in this question there are two figures. First figure this one, and this one second figure. Now we have to find how these figures are alike and how they are different to each other, and which has larger lateral surface area. After that we have to find out whose lateral surface area is greater or larger. So first figure, this one is a cylindrical figure in the shape of a cylinder. So student, first question is that how they are alike. ये दोनों फिगर एक दूसरे से सेम कैसे, एक दूसरे से कैसे मैच करते हैं, कैसे मिलते हैं? Because the height of these two figures are same. This one 7 centimeter height, this cylindrical figure, and height of this cubical figure. It is in the form of a cube, students, because length, width and height are same. So height of this cubical figure is, that is also 7 centimeter. So height of these two figures are same. They are same as their height is equal. And second thing, different, how they are different? Because this figure is cylindrical figure, this is cubical figure. This is in shape of a cube. Clear, student? So they are different to each other. And now we have to find out the lateral surface area of both the figures. So lateral surface area of this cylindrical figure, it means we have to find out the curved surface area of this cylindrical figure. So what is the radius? R is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter, student. Radius of the, because the diameter, this one is diameter and diameter is given and diameter is 7 centimeter. So radius is 7 by 2 centimeter and height, that is 7 centimeter, student. Clear? This one is diameter, students. So radius will be 7 by 2 centimeter. Now curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h, and it will be 2 into value of pi is 22 by 7, radius that is 7 by 2, 7 by 2 into height of this, that is 7. So this 7 cancel and 2, this one cancel. So 22 into 7, that is 7 2 ja 14, 7 2 ja 14, 1 15, and this one semi square. Lateral surface area or curved surface area of this cylindrical figure is 154 centimeter square or square centimeter. Now we have to find out the lateral surface area of this cubical figure. So side of cube, that is 7 centimeter. Clear, student? So lateral surface area of cube, students, lateral surface area of cube, it means area of 4 walls of this cube. Lateral surface area of cube, that is 4 into side square or 4a square, that is 4 into 7 square. So 4 into 7 into 7, students, that is 4 into 49, and it will be 9 4 ja 36 and 4 4 ja 16 and 3, that is 19, 196 centimeter square. So after calculation we find that lateral surface area of this cubical figure is greater than the lateral surface area of this cylindrical figure. Though the height of these two figures are same, but lateral surface area of cubical figure, second figure, is greater than the lateral surface area of this cylindrical figure. This is question number 7, students, and in this question a closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. How much area of metal is required? Students, this is closed cylindrical tank. So we have to find out the total surface area of that cylindrical tank, because the material that is required to make it is equal to the total surface area of the cylinder. So this one solution. First, radius, that is 7 meter. Radius is 7 meter and height h, that is 3 meter. Material required to make cylinder is equal to total surface area is equal to total surface area of cylinder. That will be 2 pi r h plus r. Student, this is formula to find out the total surface area of cylinder. So, in this 2 into value of pi, that is 22 by 7, and radius that is given 7 meter, and height that is 3 meter and radius 7 meter. Now it will be 22 into 2, that is 44, 7 cancel by 7, into that is 7, 3 plus 7, that is 10. So 44 into 10, that is 440 meter square. So total surface area of that cylindrical tank is 440 meter square. So we need material equal to this to make this cylindrical tank. We need 440 meter square metal to make this cylindrical tank.